What's up, everyone? I just want to say, hey, I'm in Finland right now at Varusteleka for Finnish Brutality. Super stoked to be here. I uploaded this video originally and YouTube age restricted it, so my theory with talking to you right now is to just let 20 seconds pass before we start the video. And so that's what this is about. So get ready to watch the video in 3, 2, 1.
If you wanna hang out, you gotta take her out, Keltec. If you wanna get down, down on the ground, Keltec. She don't lie, she don't lie, she don't lie, Keltec. Here at Keltec, we don't enjoy cocaine for fun. We use it as an engineering aid. Oh yeah, and we're proud of it.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of PSR. Today we have something awesome on the channel. It's fueled by cocaine, and it's the KSG from Keltec. Why is it fueled by cocaine? Well, because Keltec engineers openly admit that cocaine inspires all of their designs. Just kidding, that's not actually true. But some people wonder if that is the case. I personally just have always thought this is a really cool looking firearm because it's a bullpup shotgun. Yes, Keltec was really not the first to implement a bullpup shotgun, but this is really the first commercially successful bullpup shotgun. It has an 18.5-inch barrel, so it's not a short-barreled shotgun. It's not an SBS, and get this, it's 50 state legal. What the fuck? They really were high on cocaine when they designed this because it is legal in not only California, but also New York State. This looks like the most assault weapon of war I've ever seen. It looks like something out of Terminator, and actually I think it was in John Wick. We're gonna shoot it and test it today. We've got a number of different loads. Something also very special about this gun is that it holds 14 2 3/4 shot shells plus one, so you can get 15 rounds, including New York State. That is legal because each of these tubes right here, I'm gonna flag the fuck out of you. Each of these tubes, brah, each of these tubes holds 7 rounds, but they're separate tubes, so they're not technically over 10 round limit. So you get 14 plus 1 in this gun. It's got a push button safety right here. And we got the LP1 from Lead and Steel over here on the top. It's sweet because you can change the reticle to be that circle, which is perfect for a shotgun aiming reticle. And it's got this vertical foregrip that comes with it. One of these things is very important, is to Loctite this foregrip in case this does slip forward. You would lose an appendage. We're hoping not to lose an appendage today. The main reason for having this would be just to be able to maneuver a lot easier. It's so short. It's way shorter than any 12 gauge normal shotgun. The bullpup nature of this thing makes it really, really easy to maneuver around tight corners. I have shot this before. This is my gun, but we're gonna try it with some different loads that I have not ever tried before. And the cool thing is actually this thing can get even higher capacity with mini shells, which I have today. So we're gonna try to put, I think it fits like 21 or 22 mini shells, which is nuts. And yeah, we're gonna try that today. So might as well give her, eh? But first, I gotta thank the channel sponsor for PSR, and that is KAK Industry, sometimes referred to as CAC, which means poop in Dutch and a bunch of other languages, but it does not mean poop in American speak. It means high quality AR parts for not that much money. They just came out with this cool BCG called the K-Spec BCG. You should check it out. And if you want to get 10% off your order at KAK Industry, I would never, ever, ever use the code PSR at checkout for a whole 10% off your order. Just don't do it. Thank you, KAK, for sponsoring this channel. All right, what do you say we shoot the KSG? Woohoo! All right, well, I thought we should just shoot this target loads. It's just some basic Winchester stuff. We'll try that first. Let's get this reticle set up from Lead and Steel here. Boom, circle reticle. Perfect. That's the shotgun reticle. That's gonna be sick. Oh, nice and bright. I really do love this optic. I'm going to do a torture test on this pretty soon. So this is the first technical torture test with a 12 gauge KSG. So here we go. We're gonna cock it and put some rounds down range. Put some fucking 12 gauge, baby. Oh, that is quite a feeling. One thing I forgot to mention actually before we shoot this thing is the magazine is selectable via this switch here in the back, which is pretty cool. You can just switch. So if you wanted to have like slugs in one side and in the other side you have like birdshot or something, you could do that. Let's fucking go. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah. Oh, holy shit. Well, she's got a little bit of kick, but it's not too bad. Let's try it like this. I'm a little scared. Oh, we're out. Yeah, we're out on that mag. So this obviously doesn't have a bolt hold open or anything. So the tube on the right just went out, so you'll hear a click. Then you'll switch it to the tube on the left. And then, now we're chambered. Safety's off, let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. And we're out. Holy shit, that's exhilarating. Oh my God. All right, well, I think we should try shooting some melons. I brought a lot of melons. We're gonna try different loads with the melons. But actually, before you get to the melons, let's shoot this thing with some mini shells and see if we can do a little clay shooting or something. One thing I forgot to mention at the beginning was there's been a lot of clones or just reinterpretations of this gun since it came out, which is really, I guess, the most sincere form of flattery, I suppose. You see Smith & Wesson with their M&P 12, pretty much exact clone of this design with the dual tubes on the front. But this is the OG. And you know what? You got to respect a design that's original and also fueled by cocaine. So we got these Agia mini shells, and there's 22 of them in here. Take that, New York State magazine law. Let's see if we can just dump them, see how fast we can dump them. And after I hear a click, I'll switch the mag, see how fast we can get this done here. Oh yeah, mag dump. Well, let's keep everybody. Oh, malfunction. Our first malfunction, fueled by cocaine. This might be what we run into with these mini shells. While designs fueled by cocaine are certainly pretty cool, sometimes they might be a little unreliable with certain types of ammunition, and it appears that that might be the case here with these mini shells. Oh, it looks like a light primer strike or something then. Yeah, because the primer hit there. Huh. Maybe it's an ammo issue then. All right, let's try it again. And switch. Woo! All right. Maybe that was just a little fluke because the rest of that tube, both tubes, ran pretty well after I fixed that. So, yeah, man, that's a lot of powder coming in your face, if you know what I mean. All right, let's keep shooting this thing. I say we take it to the skeet range here. I got this remote control skeet thing. We're gonna put some target loads in here and some regular ones, 2 3/4 ones in. Let's see if we can hit some skeet. Woo! All right, see if we can hit this fucker. Nope, didn't get that one. Pull. Oh! Pull. There we go. Got that one. Just barely though. Pull. Oh! And we're out. Darn it. That's the one thing about the KSG. Ow! Gotta count your shots. There we go. Fuck yeah. You can use the KSG for a skeet purpose if you want. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, thing's got a mind of its own. Alrighty, so we got our watermelon, we got our KSG, and we're gonna try the mini shells first to see what kind of damage the mini shells do to this watermelon. and I got a little high-speed camera over there. For this one, this is the mini shells. I got 3, so we'll see what the first one does. Hopefully I'm on target here. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, so the mini shells did quite a little bit of work there. Wow, we got here. Nice. Holy shit. Didn't quite expect that big of an explosion from the mini shells. Let's try the 2 3/4. All right, here goes the target loads. Well, there goes the watermelon. Honestly, not a huge difference. I think I clipped it on the first shot, but that one, the very first one really did explode quite well. Now it's time for the ultimate watermelon bursting. Given that this gun, the Keltec KSG, is fueled by cocaine, I thought it was only right to get some rounds that were also definitely fucking fueled by cocaine. These are the RIP rounds. These are solid brass slugs. The FPS on is 1430. 303 grain slug coming right at the watermelon. Oh man, and guess how much these cost per box? Holy moly, they cost $50, and there's 5, so each one of these is $10. And holy shit, look at that thing. That is fucked up. My God. It's like a hollow point slug coming out of a 12 gauge. Very, very hot. Oh man. Well, let's see. I mean, I don't know if it's going to actually explode the watermelon as much as the target loads, but I actually don't know. So let's see what happens. RIP time. All right, I think it's time to say RIP to this melon. $10 slug, brass, full brass slug coming right at the watermelon. Let's give her, bud. 3, 2, 1. Ho, ho, ho! Oh my God! What the f? Ho, ho, ho! Did you see how far that landed? Holy shit! Oh my God! That was completely obliterated. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. You know what? We got a couple more left. You know what? I want to say thank you to the Patreon subscribers. Helped me spend $50 on this 5 fucking rounds for this video. So if you want to join my Patreon, go ahead. But thank you guys, Patreon subscribers. You're awesome. Let's try to hit some other fruit with this and see if we can obliterate it as well. Holy shit. After that, we have to hit a pineapple. All right, let's see what the pineapple does here. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. The pieces they just fly. That's insane. Well, that pineapple is fully gone, and it smells nice and fragrant out here at the range now. All right, 2 coconuts lined up in front of each other. Let's see what this thing can do. RIP. Coconuts. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. And the pieces are still landing. That's nuts. Well, it went through both the coconuts. That's pretty insane. 3, 2, 1. My God. It's just, whoo. Center flying, bud. Holy shit. Bitch.
Buy a shotgun.
Great day shooting the KSG. I haven't shot this gun in a long time, and it felt nice to shoot it again. Keltec does get a lot of shit for being weird. If you couldn't tell, I kind of like weird shit. Kind of weird myself. So I do appreciate the design and engineering behind Keltec firearms. They do kind of have a bad rap for being unreliable, but today this was very reliable. The only issues we had were with the mini shells, and I think that was user error on my part. Just not quite giving her the full go there. But once I got the hang of it, the mini shells did great, but I had no problems with any of the other normal size 12 gauge ammo. So this did pretty damn well. The optic stayed right on there, and the LP1's an awesome optic. I'm gonna do a little torture test on this pretty soon, but man, the dual tube, New York legal, California legal, pump 12 gauge shotgun with 22 round capacity, if you use mini shells, of course, 15 if you use regular shells, it's an awesome gun. I like it a lot. Weird gun, set a trend for sure that's still being copied. And like I said, can't go wrong with a little bit of cocaine. Anyways, thanks you guys for watching another episode of PSR. Till next time, catch you on the next one.
If you wanna hang out, you gotta take her out, Keltec. If you wanna get down on the ground, Keltec. She don't lie, she don't lie, she don't lie, Keltec. Here at Keltec, we don't enjoy cocaine for fun. We use it as an engineering aid. Oh yeah, and we're proud of it.
Let me get a pizza. Na, 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 na. Fuck. Oh shit.